Hey guys, welcome to the Cricket Panda IPL previews. We are into the penultimate fixture to find the second finalist between Delhi Capitals and Kolkata Knight Riders. Delhi has had hiccups and managed to win only 2 games out of the last 5, while Kolkata is coming into this contest on the back of 4 wins in last 5 encounters. Head to head, Kolkata is ahead, but in the last 4 times when these two met, both won 2 games each. Playing 11 should be more or less same in this big match. Russell and Stoinis might come in if fully fit. Sharjah has been the trickiest pitch this season and its surface eases up as the match progresses, so it's best to chase. KKR have won all 3 games this season here, while Delhi has won 1 out of 2. Phase-wise, Delhi dominates power plays both sides, while Kolkata has command over middle overs with both bat and ball. These sessions will be crucial to determine the fate of the teams. Let's look into the matchups. Rishabh Pant's weakness lies in express pace. Otherwise, he has a great record against medium-fast bowlers who bowl around 125 to 135 km per hour. He has done well in Sharjah and is a big match player. Sure starter. Morgan's most of the records are undesirable this season. His strike rate has been unbelievably low even for slow pitches and is a big no in the Fantasy 11. KKR is Prithvi Shaw's favourite opponent and he scored an 82 against them in their previous encounter, has overall great numbers and is our captain for today. Gill has been facing issues against express pace and leg spinners, but he has been solid at the slow track of Sharjah this season. Expect him to find ways to score some handy runs. Dhawan loves playing against express pacers but struggles against medium pace bowlers, which KKR doesn't have. Hasn't got going at Sharjah or versus KKR, but an odd 20-30 could be good contribution at this low-scoring venue. Rana has played some fabulous knocks off late and loves to smash off spinners. His record against Ashwin is iconic but has struggled against express pacers. Averages an amazing 36 at Sharjah and versus Delhi. Good pick for vice-captain in bigger pools. Hetmyer has been playing those crucial cameos which has given Delhi many good finishes. He doesn't have any weakness against a bowling type as such, but isn't among runs at Sharjah, which can change today. Karthik hasn't faced as many deliveries this season to draw conclusions, but he has issues against express pacers, and Ferguson will be a key contest. Not in my 11. Shreyas likes playing against fast bowlers, but struggles against spinners who turn it away from him. Doesn't have a good strike rate against pace or spin, but has been great at Sharjah. You can have him for Hetmyer in your 11, misses out in mine. Rahul hasn't gotten runs in recent innings and struggles against spin. Hasn't been successful at Sharjah or against BC, easy elimination. Pattern-wise, if we see, it's safe to keep Dhawan, Shreyas and Hetmyer at prominent positions if Delhi chase. Ferguson, Nokia and Avesh have been most frequent wicket getters, while Ashwin and Rabada have struggled. Among batsmen, all the 4 openers and Pant have been accumulating runs consistently, while Morgan, Shreyas, Karthik and Tripathi have faded out. Gambhir has most runs in head-to-head records, but Prithvi Shaw dominates the show with unreal average, contribution in team runs and strike rate. Narayan and Umesh have most wickets. This time, instead of bringing you 2 lineups, we have the Cricket Panda team, which was built in compliance with the data and patterns discussed, while the second team is an intuitive team built by the KKR fan on Twitter, Aditya. End of the match, we shall compare and see who did well in this section of stats versus fan. Basically, it will all come down to Hetmyer, Venkatesh and Nokia versus Karthik, Shreyas and Varun. That is all from us today. Thank you for joining us in the preview. Please like and subscribe if you found it informative. You can also follow us on our other social media platforms, including the website where you can dig extensive stats on IPL. See you in the next one.